This goes out to you, my number one. I won't stop until I see you, sugar. You know who you are. This is for my number I see you. So many shows.
Good morning. I hope y'all having a very good day. I'm at the park and I'm about to. This is the park right here that I'm going to be walking. I'm going to walk this whole thing. I'm thinking I'm going to walk on this side too. Yeah. Dang, it's hot. I'll see y'all later. I just got done with the park and I'm at Publix right now. Y'all ever I just got upset because there's so much cars in the parking lot. I cannot stand that. It's like the older I get, the more distance I want to be from people, and plus COVID and everything like that. Like I just literally just got to add a whole upset just now. Like, you know, when you was little and you was in Walmart, we always wanted to see people, we didn't care. But now as you grow older, sis, I'm not trying to see y'all. Golly, but I'm all sweaty, y'all. Like, my workout was so good. Look, I'm so sweaty. I ended up doing 3 miles, which I did an hour. So I had I ended up running. I jogged and then I walked and then I did the jump rope. The jump rope killed me. So that's gonna be my new thing. I think I'm gonna start jump roping a lot more because it literally like bumped up my heart. It boosted up my heart. Why am I with the mask on in the car? But it boosted up my heart rate and it was literally on another level. So that's what I'm gonna do. I need to write down real quick. I'm about to just write down real quick everything that I need before I get out this car. So when I go in Publix, I just go pick up what I need and not anything extra. I also did bring my jacket just because I'm all sweaty and I hate being sweaty in those stores, and plus I don't want to get sick. But let me write down this list real quick and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so now the fun begins. I have 2 spaghetti squash. The seasonings I'm going to use are garlic salt, black pepper, garlic powder, extra olive oil, butter, heavy whipping cream, and some Parmesan cheese. On the side, I did get me some shrimp from Publix, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do everything. First, I'm going to cut it. As you can see, self-explanatory, and I'm going to put it in the oven. So now we're going to move on to our parfait yogurt bowl. So first I'm going to go ahead and rinse off my strawberries, and then I'm going to place them to the side, and I'm going to chop them up finely. Not too finely, but enough, not too big. Then I'm going to put some yogurt down, granolas, and strawberry, and I'm just going to keep doing that, layering it up. And oh my gosh, y'all, this tastes so good, and it's so filling because the granolas are very, very like hearty, and it makes me go to the bathroom, so that's a plus on a plus.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, jo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig, och det jag lägger all min tid på. Jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig baby, och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig, och det jag lägger all min tid på. Jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig baby, och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om.
Alright, so now I'm going to move on to my shrimp. They do have the shell on them, so I'm going to peel them and put them on side on the plate. I got these from Publix, and they steamed them for me in garlic, butter, and Cajun. So that's why it's looking all seasony and good. So like I said, I'm going to put that aside on the plate. Then I'm going to take my broccoli that I got from Sam's Club. It's just, you reheat in the bag. So I'm going to use that. And then I'm going to go back to my spaghetti squash, and I'm going to pretty much fork it, and then you guys, it looks like spaghetti strings as you can see in the next clip. And then I'm going to make my sauce, and we're pretty much done. Okay guys, so I ended up changing pots, as you can see. This is the final look, y'all. Like, this thing is so freaking good. I just tasted. We got a lot of veggies, a lot of broccoli. We got these big jumbo shrimps. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna demolish them. And then we still got sauce and everything, y'all. Like, this thing right here, yeah. So this is definitely gonna last me for 3 days, probably even more. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna end off the video right here. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support.
Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det baby.
Oh yeah guys, I forgot to add that I'm going to take one of these a day. These are the 501, 70 calories. brownies. They are so good. And if I got a sweet tooth, I prefer to eat something very low carb. And calories, how much carbs? They got 17 grams of carb. Actually, that's actually pretty high, but it's only 70 calories. So yeah, I just wanted to add that you could just I'm going to bring something sweet, because you know we all get that sweet tooth sometimes. Or I might double up on my oranges. I don't know yet, but yeah. All right, bye.